everyone, today I'm gonna use the Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint. So I bought this to Michael's during Labor Day and I got a big discount on it. So this is not a sponsored video, I just want to try this new paint of Artist Loft. So I'm gonna use also the Spot On Treadmill 100% Silicon. And I'm gonna use black and white to swipe it. So that is the fun part. And let's see which color will create a nice cells. And I'm gonna use, this is yellow, deep yellow. I'm gonna use also the aqua green. This is Artist Loft Violet, Artist Loft Old Gold, and we have also the black and the titanium white. So we're gonna put this thing in here. So since this is a premix already, it make our life much easy because we don't need to mix. And what we're just gonna do is put it in a cup, and I just use the Play-Doh cup that because my daughter loved to play Play-Doh, so instead of throwing up the cup, I wash it and now I can use it in pouring. So I'm not gonna put silicone on a block, and you can see how thick it is. But since we're gonna try this paint, I'm not gonna put water because we want to see how really this paint will react, and also the white. But I love the consistency of it. So for this colors, we're gonna add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And same thing also on this color. And we're gonna set aside the silicone. And we're gonna start. So I also have a paper towel. I like using paper towel in swiping. Gonna stir it. So don't over stir it so that you're not gonna break the cells. Sorry. This part. I just hope that the paints are enough. So I'm gonna put the other part in a time lapse, especially when I layer the colors. And I will show you the way I will swipe it. Okay. Let's remove the knife. Just gonna put this thing on the side. Trying to position it in the way that you can see it, guys. So now it's time to layer the paint. So I'm gonna start with gold. And just follow me. Now we're gonna tilt it a little bit in each side. So I'm gonna do the same also in the other one. So that the side will be covered also with paint. So this other one. So you can see even I have not swiped it yet, the gold already react. Okay. Let's put a little bit more here. So now let's put the white. So I'm gonna put white here. So I did not add any water. This is black on the other side. So there is no silicone in the black. Now let's do the swiping. So first I'm gonna swipe on white. So this is a little bit wet. And make sure that the top is stick to the white, not in the gold. And now let's start. Okay. And we're gonna do now the black. We're gonna wait until those cells pop. Okay. And we're gonna start torching. So if you can see it, guys, the black react faster than the white one. So I can see that the black will work well on these colors. But let's see after we torch it. So we're gonna let this thing pop. So this is what happened after 5 minutes. So I have not used the torch yet. So I just let it pop all the cells. And now we're gonna try to break those parts, does not create the cells, by using the torch. So when you use the torch, make sure that it's not so close to the paint, to the pour, because we don't like fire. It's not breaking. This part. Using torch, it will clean the surface also, removing those bubbles. And since this one does not really create much cells, so if you can see it, guys, I will show it to you closely. and the black. So I like the black. So the black create much lovely look. And let's see if we can blow this part. This part, I love this part. It's really pretty. Let's try another one. And we can just tilt it. So I prepared the black in swiping. Let's move it in the center. The other side. So we're trying to avoid to lose two cells. Always put it in the center before you tilt it. And I like how gold react to the purple. And this one, we're gonna tilt also the black, so we're not gonna tilt it much. We're just gonna add more black here. Okay, so that's enough. So I'm gonna show it to you guys the close-up look of this pour, and I hope you like this little experiments that I did for today. And now you have idea which color will be better for swiping using this Artist Loft pouring paint. So this is the close-up look of the pour. So this one I use wipe to swipe. Those part is so lovely. Also this part is like a snake skin. This one is a big eyes. I love how gold form in this part. The thing is, using white, it's so hard to break it. So the reaction is not so good. But I think it's still pretty. And let's proceed to the black. So in this part, I use black. So I love this. I love these big cells. And look guys, there's tiny cells on it. In every corner, I love it. Oh, this is so lovely, look. So I think for this Artist Loft Ready Mix pouring paint, if you wanna do swipe, black is really a best option. But it always depends to you guys, whatever you like, whatever you prepare, that is what important. But for me, I like the black. One more look. This is the white. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it and you learn from what I showed. And have a blessed day, everyone.